welcome, and if you are new to our channel, I'm Christina.
And I'm Kelly.
We come out with weekly videos every Monday night at 7 p.m. So today, we have got a great video all about different fashion and styling hacks for you guys. So we can't always run to the seamstress. We can't always have things, immediately perfect on our bodies as far as our clothing. So these are some very simple tips, tricks, and hacks that we can use in order to get that professional and stylish and polished look that we're all looking for.
So styling hack number one is one that has recently become very trendy and popular, this item. And I just purchased this one about a year ago, and I've really realized how helpful it is. And that is having a two-tone watch, mixed metals. So if you have a mixed metals watch where you have some silver and some gold, that kind of works as your anchor piece and allows you to basically use any metals on your body and pull everything together. So by having the two-tone watch, I can wear silver bracelets, gold bracelets, silver or gold earrings. I don't have to worry about my belt buckle, what color that is, the hardware on my bag or my shoes. Everything is pulled together by this two-tone watch. So it is a fantastic investment to have a two-tone watch because it's really just gonna anchor your whole look and bring everything together.
So for tip number two, this is such a useful tip and something that I use at least once a week, and that is using fashion tape. Fashion tape is such a helpful product to be able to use in order to secure like your bra strap, in order to ensure that it's not showing for any of your clothing that you have. Also, if you happen to have some buckling that happens in the front of your shirt, you can actually secure it with some fashion tape. Another use that fashion tape is for is in order to secure your belt buckle. Sometimes the strap is a little bit longer and it sticks out and it's past the strap that's on your belt, so you're able to just secure it there. And last but not least, I think the worst thing in the world is having a hem that completely comes undone last minute. You don't have time to be able to, sew it together, so you just put on some fashion tape and you'll be able to fold it and create a false hem.
This next trick is one that we have definitely used in some of our videos, and particularly when we want to wear sneakers with little sundresses. There's a way that we like to do our laces. So of course, the traditional way is just to tie your laces into a bow, which can be perfectly cute. However, what we like to do is something where we actually knot the laces and then tuck them inside of the shoe so that you don't have the bow on top and you have more of like a clean, finished look. This looks particularly good when you're wearing sneakers with a dress because it gives it a little bit more of a polished look that kind of mimics more of a shoe style versus a sneaker athletic look to it. So this is just a really simple little hack just to like take your outfit up a notch and make it look a little bit more dressed, a little bit cuter than the traditional bow tie sneaker laces.
This is a great fashion hack if you love twisting and tying your shirts, but you don't want the wear and tear that's sometimes so stressful on the fabric. So one of the things that we've found that's been extremely helpful is using these clear elastic bands in order to secure a knot and get the style and the look of having a knot without having to ruin the fabric. You can easily hide it. Doesn't matter what color the fabric is, it doesn't stand out. It not only helps to create a nice detail to the element that you're adding it to, but also to create a more tailored look to the pieces. And for those of you who maybe are not looking for the knot to be showing, another great trick that we've found is if you happen to have a shirt that's a little flowy and you want to be able to have a more tailored look in the front, you can actually knot it in the back with the clear elastic band, and then you just take that knot and you stick it inside and tuck it inside of the back of your pants, and it's as if it was never even there, but it's giving you the illusion of a more tailored waist.
So this last trick I found while watching JLo's makeup artist Scott Barnes over on Tati's makeup channel, and he had this tip I had never heard of before. I thought it was a great hack, particularly for very special events. So if you've ever seen JLo, you know that she has that beautiful bronze glow that she's famous for, not only in her face but also her upper body, shoulders, and you know, everything on her upper body, especially when she's wearing like a strapless or spaghetti straps. So his tip that I thought was such a great tip was, we already know about, of course, self-tanner, bronzing lotion. We've talked about bronzing lotion before, or shimmer lotion. So once you get all of that on and you're all, you know, rubbed in and moisturized, he takes a sunscreen, a very lightweight spray sunscreen, specifically Neutrogena Sun Mist, and just sprays it all along. And not only will that protect you if you happen to be going out in the sunlight, but it actually works as a setting spray for the body, and it adds this really nice, like, glossy finish to the skin that's really beautiful if you have a special event and you're wearing like a strapless dress. So pretty, and a great way to just set that bronzer and create that glossy, glowing J.Lo glow. So we hope you guys found these fashion hacks helpful. Definitely leave us a comment below and let us know if you have any favorite fashion hacks. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to click that button, and also make sure to tune in every Monday night at 7 p.m. as well as follow us on Instagram and our Facebook page at Mommy's Makeup and Moscato. And until next week, bye.